Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a Fiat 500 wing mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure your replacement mirror is the correct type for your specific Fiat 500 model. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine completely before beginning any work. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental damage during the installation process. To remove the old mirror, you'll first need to access the mounting bolts. Gently pry off the interior door panel trim, usually located near the mirror's base, using your trim removal tool. Once the trim is off, locate and carefully disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, use your screwdriver to remove the 3 mounting bolts that secure the old mirror assembly to the door frame. Now, let's install your new wing mirror. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the mounting holes on the door frame. Insert and hand tighten the 3 mounting bolts to hold it in place, then fully tighten them with your screwdriver. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, ensuring a secure connection. This step is crucial for the mirror's power adjustments and heating functions to work correctly. After installation, turn on your car's ignition and test the new mirror. Check that the electronic adjustments work smoothly in all directions and that any heating elements function properly. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior door panel trim, ensuring all clips snap back into place for a snug fit. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. This robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.